West, Greater Manchester Police have warned people to stay away from Manchester Arena.
Families and many young people were out to enjoy a concert at the Manchester Arena, and very sadly.
Ariana, we all want to say thank you to you for being so strong and so wonderful, and you've been singing a lot for us, so I think we in Britain want to sing for you.
In the northwest of England, it's ace. It's the best, and the songs that we sing from the stands from our bands set the whole planet shaking. Our inventions are legends. There's nought we can't make. So we make brilliant.
Kyle Walker makes a brilliant run into the box here. But it only feels like a matter of time.
Do it again. Where am I?
Why will I know where it is?
Is it hot?
Do you want to try like bite? If it's too hot, you can leave it.
That's not your name.
Don't bite it all. Don't bite it all. Just like a little bit.
We are now approaching Piccadilly Gardens, where you can